Good morning. How's everybody doing? Look how beautiful it is today. Yes, we are here with the Tia. Tia's enjoying getting tangled. You can see her back foot already is tangled. It is not as cold today, and there is a beautiful energy that is freely flowing in the forest today. I can feel it. Tia wants to run like nobody's business, but it's a little too mucky today. We gave the beast a bath yesterday, so she's feeling somewhat clean and content. How you doing, girl? So if you can today, make the most of this magnificent day and surround yourself with beauty.